Hey, it's Neil, and I am in the car with a car charger. So we're going to give this thing a shot here. We're going to see what it is. It looks like you get a USB-C and USB adapter here on it. So there it's what it looks like there. And it says it's a PD and QC4O, whatever that is. Here's some more information on the side if that means anything to anyone. So it looks like it'll do 1.5 amps in the USB-A, 2.5 in the USB-C. So that's actually good. So it's better than just some of those junky ones there. And then we have the wire. And we'll take off the little rubber band. And it looks like we got about 3 feet wire. And it's USB-C to the iPhone Lightning wire. So let's give this thing a try. And we'll plug it in. So let's see. Probably have to turn on my car. Okay. Whoa, look at that. So when it's plugged in, it's got a little blue rim on it. Hopefully you can still hear me. The car's kind of loud, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do much here. I'm going to plug it in, and I got the little ding, so it is charging. I'm at 55%, so don't know exactly how fast it'll charge, but I guess with the power there, it'll probably charge a couple of minutes every once in a while. So pretty cool. So that's pretty nice, and I like the way it lights up so you know it's getting power. So that's kind of nice, because sometimes I plug these things in and I don't even know if they're working or not. So very cool. So you get 2-pack of them. So I'm going to say thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.